There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango GT in black clear coat. With HID headlamps, acoustic windshield, 20-inch aluminum wheels, heated mirrors with fold-away, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 905898.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.